But what do you think is the skill जो आज के ज़माने में लोगों को जिता देगी?
keeping up with AI. I'm not kidding.
And how can people do? कैसे कर सकते हैं?
See, I think everybody has to become something called as an AI generalist.
हाँ, तो AI जनरलिस्ट कोई कैसे बन सकता है?
हाँ.
जैसे तुझे इतनी सारी चीज़ें पता है अबाउट XYZ, आई एम श्योर कि तुझे बिजनेस कैसे बढ़ाना है ये पता है, क्रिएटर कैसे बनना है ये पता है, कोड कैसे लिखना है, बट तेरे लिए सब रेलेवेंट नहीं होगी. मे बी कुछ रेलेवेंट होगी, कुछ नहीं होगी, कुछ तेरी टीम के लिए रेलेवेंट, राइट? इतना नॉलेज तेरे लिए रेलेवेंट नहीं होगा. तो कैसे हर कोई ये सीख सकता है उसके डोमेन में?
So the world that we are heading towards, domain as a thing is of past. ये जो स्पेशलिस्ट का जो कीड़ा था ना, you have to become a specialist at something. Marketing में जाओ, go deep into marketing, become head of marketing, become CMO, ये वो. That is no more a wise thing to do anymore.
Okay.
Why do people hire people? Why do you hire people to solve problems?
हाँ.
With AI, होता क्या है ना, you can solve broad range of problems. So there will be rise of generalists. 90% of your team जो होगा आपका अभी उल्टा है. There is 20% generalist, 80% specialist. आपका chief of staff एक generalist होता है, आपका EA generalist होता है. There are those are the generalist roles who can do a lot of things. जैसे हमने बात किया, वो flip हो जाएगा. 80% of the roles that will exist will be generalist, 20% will be specialist, and I believe ये जो specialist role हैं, वो लोग majorly consulting करेंगे, full time कोई नहीं रहेगा, बहुत कम लोग रहेंगे. The reason is हम लोग को इसीलिए specialist लोग हमको इसीलिए बोलते थे specialist बनो, is because it is hard for us to comprehend and do multiple things as a human being. We cannot just do everything.
Yeah.
अगर सब लोग generalist होते सब founder बन जाते, every founder is a generalist, you know that, right? But with AI coming into the picture, you can actually truly become a great generalist. So AI generalist जो word है, I believe is that person who can solve any problem using AI. That person is an AI generalist. It doesn't matter it's a problem with marketing. It doesn't matter it's a problem with product. It doesn't matter it's a product with code. Of course, there are few things that you don't touch. Like finance शायद तो touch नहीं करेगा because it's too critical and too. Not everything will be relevant here, but you get the point. I think सबको generalist बनना चाहिए. AI generalist, where you equip the skills of solving problems using AI.